Good evening, everyone. This is June 2020, Unit 2 of IAL Chemistry. In this session, I'll discuss MCQs from 6 to 10. Dichromate 6 ions may be reduced in acidic condition. The coefficient in this half equations are, so when we balance the redox equation, the half equation, to balance oxygen, we add water molecule. So there are 7 oxygen on the left hand side, so we should add 7 water molecules. To balance hydrogen, we should add proton. So total we have 7 multiplied by 2, 14. So we need 14 hydrogens. And to balance the charge, we add electrons. So what is the total net charge here? This is -2 and plus 14. And 2 multiplied by 3, that's plus 6. So we want, here it's the total charge is plus 12. So we wanted to reduce to plus 6. So we should add electron. And how many electrons? There should be 6 electrons. So value of x should be 14, value of y should be 6, and value of z is equals to 7. In an oxide of potassium, the oxidation number of oxygen is half, minus half. What is the formula? So potassium is plus 1 and oxygen oxidation number is minus half. When we simplify this valency, so basically it will be plus 2 and minus 1, because the ratio of 1 is to 1 by 2 is 2 is to 1. And then we cross multiply, so it will be KO2. D will be the right answer. Compound Q gives nitrogen dioxide when heated and produce a red color flame. Which of these compounds could be? Barium, it can give nitrogen dioxide, but barium it will give a yellow flame, so that cannot be. Lithium, on decomposition it gives lithium oxide plus nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen, so it will be a brown gas, and lithium is red, so B will be the right. Magnesium will not observe any flame because that is not in a visible range, and rubidium nitrate even does not decompose into nitrogen dioxide, so B will be the right answer. What color and test results are correct in nitrogen? Nitrogen dioxide, non-metal oxides are acidic oxide, so itself it is brown in color, and when it is exposed, the color of a damp witness paper, it will turn from blue to red. Why? Because non-metal oxides are acidic oxides. The product of a reaction between sodium fluoride and concentrated sulfuric acid can be predicted by considering the trend of other sodium halide. So we can predict, like normally what we have, if there was sodium chloride and we react with sulfuric acid, so this forms sodium hydrogen sulfate plus hydrogen halide or HCl. But this HCl further does not react because chloride ion is not a good reducing agent, so it does not react with sulfuric acid or reduce the sulfur to lower oxidation number. So same thing, if we have sodium fluoride, same trend it will follow. So the only product what it will form when it react, it will also form hydrogen fluoride, because it cannot reduce the sulfur to lower oxidation number. As chloride, when we move, the tendency, iodide ion is good reducing agent compared to bromide ion, and bromide is good reducing agent compared to chloride, and chloride is good reducing agent compared to fluoride ion. The diagram shows a reaction profile for a reversible reaction. So reactant can form a product can decompose and form back the reactant. Which symbol represents the enthalpy change from reactant to product? So enthalpy change from a reactant product, reactant is having low energy and the product is having high energy. So it means this reaction is endothermic. An endothermic reaction, positive enthalpy change, so arrow should point up. That's why B is the right answer. Which symbol represent the activation energy from product, like from product to reactant? So basically this is our reactant now, and this will be the product. So minimum possible energy for reaction to start, So from reactants, that's W. So option W is the right answer. Hess law can be applied to this system. Which expression is correct? V plus X is equals to U plus W. So V plus X, when we add V plus X and it equals to U plus, in practical V plus X both have the same energy, but this will be exo and this is endo, so this will be negative value. So V plus X will be 0. But U plus W will not be 0, so A is not the right answer. What about B? W and X is equals to U. So W plus X is equals to U. Basically, X is pointing down, so minus X will point up. So it will be W minus X is equals to U. But in the question it is written W plus X, that's why B is also not the right answer. U minus W is equals to V. So U is there, W, when we subtract U minus W, what we'll get? We'll get B, that's right. And U minus V is equals to X. So U minus V is not equal to X, that's wrong. And V and X are, V is equals to minus X. So the correct answer is C. So these are the questions from Unit 2 of IAL Chemistry. Next session I'll discuss more questions from this paper.